So you've downloaded the app, opened an account, and want to start trading. You'll need to make a deposit to get the action started. Go to the Assets tab at the bottom right of your screen. Then click Deposit. You can make a deposit of any of the coins listed on this page. But note that the process for each coin may differ. Let's start with Bitcoin. Select BTC. You will then be directed to your ByBit deposit address. Scan the QR code or copy the deposit address and use it as the destination address from where you're sending the funds. Please do not transfer any other digital currencies that are not BTC to this address. The same process applies for ETH deposits. Deposit XRP and EOS with your memo or tag to ensure it reaches your account on ByBit. Your memo or tag is your UID on ByBit. USDT deposits can be made from Omni, based on a Bitcoin network, and ERC20 from the Ethereum network. Keeping track of your transactions is important. A record of all your deposits is available through the clock icon at the top right hand of your Assets page. Depending on the amount of your miner fee as well as the transaction conditions on the blockchain network, it usually takes around 10 minutes for your deposit to arrive in your ByBit account, just in time for that much-needed coffee break. And if you encounter any problems, feel free to enjoy that coffee regardless. Just let us do the work. Our customer support is here for you 24/7, working to improve our platform and making your trading experience first class. ByBit, next level trading.